In this video, I am going to share some ideas about 3 and 4 marks questions and answers, especially shortcut keys. If you remember these shortcut keys, no need to remember all the answer for 3 and 4 marks. So let's start. Which are those 3 and 4 marks questions with answers? Particularly, I am focusing on keywords. So let's check it out. The first question from the political developments of 20th century, that is, what are the reasons for First World War? There are many reasons for the First World War. We need to read all the things here out. Here many points are there, but we need to remember only the keywords I have figured out, that is 7 points. Let's check it out. The reasons for the First World War is colony control, particularly colony control, competition, market control, boundary issues, militarism, nationalism, assassination. Assassination means whose assassination? Archduke Ferdinand assassination. Nationalism, ultra nationalism. So, by using these keywords, we easily remember the whole reasons for the First World War. So, next go. What are the results of First World War? There are many reasons for the First World War. That is, Triple Entente forced Germany to sign treaty. Versailles, Austro-Hungary, Ottoman Empire lost their existence, and Germany lost its geographical area, physical map. Europe underwent. League of Nations came to existence. Penalty and restrictions imposed on Germany, and industrialists of Germany exploited, and it leads to growth of dictators. All these points I figured in 8 particular words, that is, Treaty of Versailles, Austro-Hungary, German geographical area, Euro physical map, League of Nations, war penalty, German industrialist, dictators growth. If you read all these particular keywords, if you remember these keywords, no need to read all the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. What are the reforms brought in China? What are the reforms brought in China? There are many answers for this. Community farming was introduced, free health and education was provided, and importance was given to the science and technology in order to achieve growth in industrialization. Leap forward policy program are planned and implemented. Private property was converted into public property. Cultural revolution was implemented. The very key words are here. Remember, community farming I have written, health and education, that you have to remember, science and technology, industrialization, leap forward, private property, cultural revolution. These are the very key words you have to remember. That's it. Next we go. Ideology of Hitler destroyed the Germany. This is the statement. Justify. It can be asked for 4 marks and 3 marks as well. So very keywords I have separated. See that, right side. And the whole answer I have written left side. See that how the ideology of the Germany destroyed, how the ideology of the Hitler destroyed the Germany. You know the answer is the Hitler banned workers' union, political parties. Nazi party is the only party. And supremacy of the German race theory, and nurture the ultranationalism. Jews are the reason for all the problems of the German, and he appointed Goebbels to spread the theory of Nazism. and also brown shirts, the army of the Hitler, and mass killing. 6 billion Jews were killed, and which is known as the Holocaust mass killing. And Nuremberg laws he implemented, Nuremberg laws, and imprisoned many Jews in concentration camps. All the answers we have right, but the keywords are workers' union, only Nazi party, German race, ultranationalism, Jews, Goebbels, brown shirts, Holocaust, concentration camp. Very words, just remembering the whole answer through these keywords. Next one is, what are the reasons for Second World War? Many reasons are there for Second World War. The reasons are, Germany occupied Poland on September 1st, 1939. Nationalism grew more in Germany and other European countries as well. And industrials is funded more money to nourish ultranationalism in Germany. Hate and egoistic movement started. Hitler emerged as a dictator of Germany, and Germany and Mussolini emerged as dictator in Italy. Japan attacked China to expand its territory. But here keywords are, just remember Poland, just remember nationalism, just remember industrialist, hate and egoism, emergence of Hitler, Japan attack on China. This is the way you can easily remember whole answer. Next we go, what are the results of the Second World War? Results of the Second World War. Second World War resulted in, most misery and death in human history, social and political changes, and in place of League of Nations, UNO was established. USA, USSR, France became permanent members. USA, USSR became powerful rivals, which led to Cold War. And England and France, other countries, lost their most of the colonies. Nuclear weapon used for the first time by USA. That is all we call results of the Second World War. Keywords are death and misery, social political change, UNO, permanent members, Cold War, loss of colonies, nuclear weapon, arm race. If these words are in your answer, that is the perfect answer. But that should be a lengthy sentence, not should be the words. And what are the effects of the Cold War? Because of the Cold War, which held between USA and USSR, what it further resulted? That is, effects are, the competition to stockpile weapons grew between the two countries. USA tried to enter many more agreements to sell its weapons across the world, formed more military organizations to hold over. NATO, SEATO, CENTO, signed by USA. Huge arms manufacturing factories were formed by USA. Competition for nuclear weapons increased. Intelligence network space war for better technology increased. And it was like a tension and invisible war across the world. And at the last, USA successful in gaining the control over USSR. But unfortunately, USSR became the victim to the Cold War. In this particular answer, you have to remember these words, that is, stockpile weapons, agreements, military organizations, NATO, CENTO, SEATO, factories, nuclear weapons, space war, invisible war and tension, victim. By remembering these words, You have to recall the whole answer. This is all we have discussed. The very important question and answer from political developments of 20th century. Thank you for joining this